of Mexico has turned out today for the big bullfight. Everyone in all this country of Mexico in one arena to see Juan Carletta Bottarini. That's Italian. Carletta Bottazzoni. That's Italian too. Juan Taco fight the biggest, most strong bull in all the world. No one is home. The cities are cleared. Every hacienda is empty, except for one or two Mexicans who like to loot the place. All are in the arena. Burritos, tacos, all being sold at record amounts. Everyone is happy. And the crowd cheers as the bull comes in. Everyone cheers the famous matador. The matador raises his sword. The bull charges. The crowd cheers. Hats, sombreros fly into the air. And for once, the bull kills the matador. The bull goes crazy. He is insane. He is a mad bull. He is locomotive. He kills everyone in the stands. He kills all of Mexico. He runs up along Nevada and Texaco. And he jumps up and down and breaks Mexico off until it floats into the ocean. I've got the worst Mexican accent ever.